Parts, and more parts. We picked up some more parts, things we were waiting on. We have the lines for the, I'm drawing a blank, catch can with all the fittings, which is nice. We're gonna be able to use those. Brought the bumper over finally. This is a bumper that we had before since mine's cracked. Picked up a radiator from Norbert, traded him some stuff for the motor, still got more stuff, and we also picked this up from him for relocating the battery to the trunk. So we're gonna get putting all this in, and then we're getting pretty close. Just waiting on blow off valve and all the bungs, so we can figure out where to put these, get the bungs situated, make the cuts, and then send it out to be welded. And that's it.
Yeah.
And injectors still.
Yeah. We can still get it running with what we have.
And then we need to find somebody to give us a nice bass tune. But Emiliano put the fuel pump in while I was away. He did the fuel pump. And anything else? I don't think so.
The throttle body, we got new hardware.
Okay, new hardware for the throttle body. And then that's pretty much it. So we're going to throw this stuff in and then wait for more parts. Story of our lives. All right, so short time. I've only been over here for a little bit, but we got catch can lines put in, got the new battery turn off, and now
the oil drain.
Working on the oil drain. Oil drain's done actually, and we're working on the oil feed now. But I gotta go because I gotta work tomorrow, so I gotta get out of here. So we'll continue this video in a little bit.
What's going on, guys? We're working on the Eclipse today. She's just about ready. This might be the last video you guys see until it gets started. We're literally like 98% done, so we did some stuff off camera. Boring stuff, nothing to see really, just putting some hoses and stuff like that, you know, cleaning up, just boring stuff. But yeah, I'll show you what we did and what we still need to do. Coolant hoses are on. Shift linkage is trimmed because the 1G and the 2G radiator is a little different, I guess, so we had to trim that. The intercooler piping is all mocked up. We also got the air temperature sensor bong ready to weld, and the wastegate. What else? I think Will is gonna get an aluminum, custom aluminum coolant reservoir to put in here, because I think that's gonna look real nice. So we also got the feed line for the turbo, that's all set up, and the wastegate. We gotta set up the wastegate, but we can't. I mean, we can mock it up, but we need, where did I put the wastegate? Up there. We need the valve seat ring that goes in here. It seals the valve. I think we lost it or it didn't come with a kit. We're not sure, but I just have to measure if it's a 38 or a 44. Will thinks it's a 38, but I think it's a little too big. But we'll measure it, and then we'll see what we need. But if you guys have either one of those, leave it in the comments. Let us know, because we need it. Hit up Will, hit me up, whatever. But we need one ASAP. We had a aluminum radiator we were gonna put on, but it's too thick with the fans, so we're just gonna run the stock one. It should be all right for now. What else did we do? Will got a battery wire. It's actually a little too long, but from an Evo. I don't know which Evo. I think Evo 10. I'm not sure, but we're gonna run that to the trunk and put the battery back there, because obviously it doesn't fit in the front. There's too much stuff. We got the bumper we gotta trim. We gotta trim all this right here, down here, around, because the intercooler, it's like 4.5 inches wide. Also, the trim, make a hole, measure, mock it up or whatever, and then hopefully cut it once, the hole for the exhaust exit. We're also going to run the wastegate right on top, because I know we joked around coming out of the hood, but That's a really nice hood. It's clean, not a single scratch, and I don't want to ruin it. Plus the car's gonna get wrapped eventually. Obviously, you know, Will's favorite color, and it's just not practical. Like my Conquest, I can't even drive the car. If it's gonna rain, I'm like afraid to take it out because a 4-inch hood dump is not practical. So, but yeah, hope this car is not gonna be nothing too crazy that he won't be able to drive it if he gets stuck in the rain or anything. So, but I'm gonna get going here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit because it's dirty. Every time I come in here, even if it's for 5 minutes, I create a giant mess, and I'm a clean freak. So, also I think my buddy Eddie should be here soon. He's got a couple race cars too. Real nice one too. He's got an Audi TT, a lot of money into it. Like, I don't think he cared how much money it costs to do whatever, and it's all custom work too. Hopefully you guys will see it once it's nice out. He only drives it when it's like not a single cloud in the sky, so he takes care of it very well. But yeah, we're gonna clean up and then get to work. Eddie made it over here.
Finally, this rain.
Working on this beautiful battery tray.
Yes, it's something pinnacle of Japanese, you know, engineering with the DSM.
This is some serious ingenuity right here.
Oh yeah.
Nah, it's pretty simple. We just cut a hole here, run it up here, poke some holes there, bolt it down. Now we just got to take it all apart, put the carpet down, the piece of wood that was here, and then that's done. And then, yeah, so
Very equivalent of a monkey smashing a football.
that's right. Oh man. All right. Yep. But I guess we'll just show you a little time lapse of me taking this apart and putting it back on. Should be fun.
Full send.
Full send. So that's what it looks like done. Pretty clean, nothing crazy. We're not putting the battery on, obviously, until we start the car. But
Right.
I like it.
And if you're looking for a battery box like this, you probably find one of these. Probably like, you know, your local auto parts store. That's not, you know, crazy expensive or anything like that.
Yeah.
Just your run-of-the-mill stuff. You're not trying to go for, if I, you know, something that looks a bit clean, not go too race carish, but it doesn't look out of place.
Yeah,
It's still a daily driver.
That's actually what I'm running in the Conquest. Same thing in the trunk.
Yeah, if you want to go for a race car, then you go for like, you know, full metal box mount or anything like that. You know, there's a bunch of universal ones out there. We go for Summit or Jags or anything like that.
Yeah. Nah, this looks clean. It's cheap too.
Oh yeah, what's like
But
15 or 20?
$14, I think it was.
bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, man.
Sweet. Now we're gonna lower the car. The wire's actually all under the car to the front. Oh, can't open the hood. And it comes in here. I don't know if you can see that to the breaker.
Oh, breaker.
So we can shut it on and off. But she's done. We just need the wastegate. But until we get the valve seat, we can't hook it up. And maybe I think we got to do like 2 vacuum lines and
Have this welded.
yeah, definitely have that welded. And she's all set.
Yeah, as much as you know, the technology is available for tape to hold down blow-off valves, but
I know. That's definitely not gonna hold up. Both planning on running like 30 psi, I think. So
yeah, definitely gaffer's tape won't fix that.
we're running. We're not putting clamps either. We're just gonna run it.
Yeah,
Some zip ties on there.
Hell yeah, because that's what you want to hear, that loud
pop.
When you,
Exactly.
hit to 6K, 7K RPM, red light, 8K RPM.
Dude, Will wants to wrap this, but I really like this green. It looks kind of bluish on the GoPro.
It's one of my favorite. One of my ones I like color option for
Yeah,
Mitsubishi's
and
full time.
it's
I like
clean
it.
too. I think with the buff, he'll be
It'll come
like,
back. It's definitely savable. This paint's definitely savable
Yeah.
for sure.
but she's done. Next video, it'll be the startup. No more updates. She's all done. Just gotta wait for the stuff to get welded.
Oh, and valve seat for the wastegate.
Yep, that's it. That and that's pretty much it. Just get a base tune for it. We have the filter for the catch can. I just gotta look for it, but that's it.
Yep.
We'll see you guys in a little bit.
All right, so just got to Emiliano's after working. I work every day of my life, but we have the pipe going out. I just came to pick it up. Gonna scoop this up, bring it over to the fabricator, and let him work his magic. And then we're pretty much.
I'm the fabricator. He's the welder. But
So,
no, we're just gonna leave
you know
it
what I
taped. We're gonna use tape.
We're gonna tape it actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Screw it. That'll be fine. That'll
Look
work.
at that gap. Just keep turning the boost up.
Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna head over there, and then let him do that, and then we're pretty much done.
Just need
Gotta cut the hole. I'll get fluids, and then maybe we can crank it tomorrow.
See what it does. Who knows?
And hopefully it doesn't blow up. All right, sweet. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Last time we left off with me dropping off the intercooler piping at the welding shop. He came through very quickly, got it back to me the next day. We're waiting for him right now right outside his job. He's gonna drop off the pipe, and then we're gonna head over to Emiliano's, put that on, and hopefully get it started. We still gotta get some fluids, oil, trans fluid, coolant, and then after that, we should be ready to go. I'm gonna post the welder's information down below, Rutger Fluck. Yeah, you can check him out down below. He's local to us, so if you need any welding done by us, he gets it done quick and he gets it done right. Thanks. Where'd I put the money? Oh, it's right there. You got it in your pocket. Camera duty. Why you gotta film me again?
I don't know, is that what
Saw, dude. We just picked that shit up, bro. Homie G. Got a fucking pipes and shit.
All right, so I'm here, back in the garage. I'm gonna trim the bumper. You can see there, I put tape on the edge. That's as far as I'm gonna cut it. If I need to cut more, I'm just gonna put more tape and keep doing that so I keep the lines nice and straight. This bumper, it's aftermarket, but it's actually really nice because it doesn't have the Mitsubishi symbol like the stock one, and it makes the front end look a lot cleaner. But yeah, we're gonna do some trimming and then hopefully put it on the car for good. And yep, she's just about ready. Will came and picked up the intercooler piping, dropping it off. Hopefully we get it back tomorrow from the guy who's welding it. I'm sure you'll see his name in the description. But we're literally right there. I think Will's gonna get fluids too, so we can crank her, get some oil pressure, and then get a base tune. So bumper is on. I just have to take it off, sand down the edges a little bit, but hole came up pretty good. Just need to adjust the exhaust. I've left it loose. Yep, I think it looks really well. Came out really good. All the gaps are equal. We're not gonna be able to run fog lights, of course, but Will's got some covers for there. I think it's gonna look real neat. Very exciting. But that's pretty much it for today. I think next video, hopefully you guys can hear it run. But you know the deal. Comment, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends. We'll see you guys in the next one.